If you wanna be crypto savvy, we can help you skip those valleys. Let's rally, yeah. If you wanna be crypto savvy,
Good morning, and welcome back to Be Crypto Savvy. Today we are jumping into the Genie Range report, the Ethereum side of things. If you did not catch our video from yesterday, we already covered Bitcoin. Today we're covering Ethereum. If you did not get a chance to cover the Bitcoin video, I'm going to toss that up in the right hand corner here for you. And we are just going to jump into Ethereum. News and events. Anything new today? Healthy Bitcoin rally. What does a margin lending ratio drop mean for Bitcoin price? That would be a good one to read. You got to get the report. 2-week free trial. That's actually the only new one for today. So moving on down to the volatility forecast, opportunity zone, and relative value. This doesn't look like it's changed much over the last couple of days. Just a very, very slight possible pullback. Probably more or less sideways trading. Kind of recouping its relative strength. One thing I would like to point out is if you look at the relative value line on Ethereum, where we are pretty much right smack in the middle, if you jump over to Bitcoin, you can see the relative value line is way down at the very bottom of the forecast, meaning the price point being above that relative value line means that you're paying more of a premium for that, Bitcoin in this instance versus Ethereum. If you were able to pick some up underneath that relative value, that's just more indicative of a better, but more bang for your buck, more or less. So we're going to keep on moving down. Hourly candles, we're not going to spend too much time in today. Hourly RSI over the past couple of days has just been kind of pulling back, building some of that strength back up to be able to make another push possibly to the upside. You can see over on the daily RSI over 30 days, we got just a little bit of a pull coming down here. Not much, still very much in the overbought territory. Over on the MACD, we can see that we are still showing a bullish trend. We are still separating between our signal line and our MACD. Over on the stochastic, very much in the overbought section. We are actually at an 85 today. Anything over an 80 is extremely overbought. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing curl over and see a bearish cross within a day or so. Down on the average price for Ethereum, you can still see that we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows. Over on the on balance volume, you can see that this has still just been getting stacked up and stacked up. Very small dip at the very end there. If you zoomed out, if you were able to zoom out on this, you would see that this actually was stacked up even farther before it started trading sideways and then got stacked up even more. Over on the average directional movement index, our trend reading is a 31, so we are increasing this each day so far. If you don't recall what the average directional movement is, I will actually throw up a video in the top right corner for you that will explain what all these indicators mean, how to read them, and just about this whole report in general. So check that video out if you haven't had a chance. Over on the ultimate oscillator, you can see we are very, very close to the overbought area as well, up into the 67 today. Over on the parabolic stop and reversal, we've got 6 straight buy dots. So even today, we got another one. It'll be interesting with such a slight pullback or sideways trading like we're seeing. I mean, this is damn near straight sideways. It'll be interesting to see if we ever even get a flip to a sell dot on the parabolic SAR, or if we'll just continue to see these buy dots until we make another push up. Something to pay attention to. Fibonacci retracement, we're not going to pay attention to a whole lot today. Over on the Hikaki, you can see that we've just gotten 2 strong bull confirmations. And over on the Kopach curve, we did get that bounce off the zero line on the 1st of April, and we've just been putting in higher highs and higher lows. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe this last one. It's kind of hard to see on this screen, but it does look like a lower high put in right there. So maybe this thing's about to start coming back down. Possibly. We've got some mixed signals. This is why you definitely need a, I like to choose, 5 to 10 different coins that I like to trade with if I'm looking for more, in and out trading, because you can't trade everything every day. Every day isn't a good position for each coin. So you need, a couple different handfuls that you can kind of look at and strategically go to and say, this one is in the best opportunity today for me to make some money, yada, yada, yada. Anyways, I've taken up enough of your time today. So, with a 91% accuracy on this Genie.io range report, I think we're going to cut the video right there. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's Sunday. Got several hours left. Make the best of it. And we will catch you folks on Monday as we jump back into the range report for Bitcoin and Ethereum as we look forward to the rest of the week. We will catch you guys on tomorrow's video. See you then.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, yeah.